The budget for the conduct of research is critical for the researcher. Hence, before performing the study, make sure that the budget you prepared is enough to complete it. The studies dealing with agriculture are expensive. The inputs used in the conduct can either be purchased or developed depending on the nature of your study. That is why you must carefully evaluate the scope of your research in terms of financial consideration. There might have a need to consult with your advisor for some possible grants that you can access. However, it might be competitive in nature. The flow of activities is your guide, and make sure to have the undertakings match with the available funds you have. In the event that such activity is a must, know how to source funds. It is a means for you to complete studies of significant value. The limitation in the availability of funds greatly affects the expected results, but you must know on to present it in your results. Possibly, those activities that limit your discussion can be added to the recommendation. The innovativeness or the creativity of the researcher always prevail in such condition if funds are limited. The overloaded information during the literature survey is one of the precursors to being overwhelmed in the inclusion of so many activities in research. Being familiarized with the various parts of the research, there is always a room for inclusion of activities that were omitted due to limited funds. The other means to wisely spend the available funds is to select whether to buy or have the equipment needed to be rented. Prefer to rent the single-use equipment rather than have it be procured. There are a number of laboratories or facilities that do the tolling. Identify them and inquire for more information. To summarize, from the preparation of the proposal to the discussion of results, live within the stipulated budget and add other activities if deemed necessary in the recommendation.